while these people are in control of ama-funds amangaka and ama-companies wabo amanye, they are doing business with government, amanye amakhosikazi wawo, but still bazobanga nathi ubala leli nutrition.
Ake siyiqale la. I-nutrition program le ifundwa national.
Yeah.
The last time I checked, if my memory is still serving me well, there is a lot going on around, but it's somewhere around 2.9 billion because like by news budget last year.
I think it's 2.9. Yes.
2.9 billion. Fundwa iy'kole usikhumbula ukuthi kuney'kole ezinhlwempu ezisemakhaya emalokishini. Yeah, ukuthi ingane zikwazi ukudla. So imali yakhona isikwa basic education.
Yes.
Department of Basic Education National. So ngicela sicacisela. This is not a battle between good people and bad people. It's a battle between bad people and badly corrupt people.
Please share more.
The crew that was there previously.
Yeah.
They got the tender fraudulently. The tenders by the way fraudulently. Complaints and queries regarding ukuthi ba awade kanjani.
Ngiyakhumbula kakhulukazi.
The reason why kungazange kube nokukhuluma ngaka noma ehalabulwe ngaka at that time, it's because le tender at that time esuka kuPhasina. I'm sure you remember Phasina. Yeah. The company akanikwa one company called Phasina, and then there were challenges.
The one day BIT linked with
Manzini.
Yes. Yeah.
And then so at that time abantu they were more worried about ukuthi we just want to get this thing off the ground and then have ingane zidle.
Yes.
Then kwaba khona ke nakhona ukungahambisi kahle, but i-relief yaba khona kwaba lokuthi nje at least ingane seziyadla.
Yes.
Manje ke le process yaqala kahle ke manje ke for ukubida. But it has been made by allegations of corruption. You remember nje ukuthi othukela district kunama companies afika office ngelist compile manje kuthi nama companies kufuna thola.
Ama companies obani lawo?
Part of kukhona company ekuthiwa iApigugu Trading. That company, the allegations that it is linked to MEC Siphohlomuka waka education KwaZulu-Natal. He has not denied the allegations. I also wrote to his spokesperson. Ulungi Mjali and I wrote to Mus Mahlambi. They didn't deny those allegations. If you look at the CSD database the details, you can see what that company is using the same details as Ekago Siphohlomuka Peace Town Nambiti, and the owner khona uThembisi the Hlomuka.
But he resigned from that company.
Exactly, and then it was but the fact that it's still linked to him through my relatives, it raises a lot of questions.
I see.
It's more or less like Usihle Mavuso kungaqhamuka ingane yakhe isine company yake yabhaliswa uSihle Mavuso. So yinde efana nale.
Ngiyathola.
And then the allegations ukuthi the company is named after ingane zikaHlomuka uAphiwe noGugu. He has got 2 kids, and then uAphiwe noGugu, hence the company is called Apigugu. He has not resigned. I mean, he has resigned, but he has not commented on those allegations. And then KwaZulu-Natal, I think